All right. Everybody calm down. We're here. Running a little late, but we made it. If anything seems different with the stream, let me know because I was messing with settings yesterday and I tried to put it all back, but I have this feeling I forgot something. Let's see what's going on the 5-minute. Oh, this was overnight, right? Yeah. What's up, Propolis? Hope you're doing well. Ready to trade? Let's look at the 1 hour. Uh-oh. I'm already getting issues with YouTube again. Jesus. Let me turn this down. Sweet. The first payout's exciting. Just take it easy and work on that second one. What the hell? I thought everything was fine. Yeah, so I have taken a payout, but I have not taken enough payouts to recover all of my fees. Regardless, it was still rewarding, and I'm still proud of what I did accomplish. I don't know if I even want to add up everything I've spent on evaluations. Probably just make me depressed. All right, so whatever settings I have right now, I think that's what we've been using. Hopefully it improves. But YouTube right now is complaining again. I don't know what to do. I liked that we switched from recording videos to streaming, but if this keeps it up, I'm not sure what else to do except go back to just recording my trades and then posting videos. No, I didn't. I did make progress on it. Student struggle. I got it to where I could hit, like when I hit start giveaway, a thing popped up in the chat and it said giveaway has been started. And then I went on to another account of mine and did like the raffle symbol thing or whatever. And it said I got a ticket, but then on Streamlabs, it never showed any entries. So like it was like half working, half not working, and I gave up on it and disconnected all of it. And F it, we will do the giveaway a different way. I don't need them. The giveaway should be this week. I got an email yesterday that they sent the funds to my bank. I'm just waiting for it to hit my bank, and then we'll do it. I'm not doing a giveaway before the money's in my bank, because what if it's not real or something? What if one month it's weird and then I give away money that I don't necessarily have? Tyler, you said you don't want money. You just want a hat. Yeah, and I did find one that was for YouTube, but like I did everything it said. Uh, like I had it so the Streamlabs thing was like putting stuff in the chat, so that means they had access to it, and I don't know, something was off. Yeah, it did come faster than December. December they didn't do it till like the 15th or the 16th, so this month was a week earlier. You'll get a hat. Just calm down. Let me get another payout, and maybe I'll take some money out of that and get you a hat. But then everyone's gonna be asking for a hat. Tyler gets a hat because he's special, and I'll just leave it at that. I have thought about streaming on both platforms, but I don't know. I've always been I've always been drawn to YouTube for like years. Like I'll go watch some people on Twitch, but I would prefer if people I watched were on YouTube. We need to look at what the not that I feel like there's any like competition. I mean, how are people going to compete with the Rat Lord? But we need to see what's going on Twitch in the trading space. So these are the top ones, and nobody is seems like YouTube is where it's at, right? If this is the first one that comes up for day trader. Oh, there we go. That one has a little more viewers. 220. Oh, I didn't know that dude is on Twitch also. Yeah, I mean if I mean it looks like this is the highest one for, or let's just click stocks and bonds. Yeah, so here we go. So the highest viewer count is 284. I mean, go look at YouTube, and like old Patty over there has like thousands of people. Not that I'm trying to get there, but if we started on Twitch, I'd probably be down to like 0 for a long time. Might not even be worth it. Is the stream okay? Because I'm getting YouTube's complaining about it. Nice. What's up, McLovin? I hope it's better too. I was just asking if it was, because YouTube is already complaining about it. but I just checked my internet speeds and everything appears to be fine. I think I cranked up the bit rate recently and I needed to put that back down. Yeah, I saw it, Tyler. I think when she was just making videos before she was live streaming, she like got a huge influx because ICT called her out. What's up, Joseph? I don't think we will be getting ICT calling us out because I'm not really trading his stuff anymore. I mean, I'm trading his concepts, but not his actual setups. Yeah, Grim can't trade if he hopefully he doesn't watch her live stream because he won't be able to focus on trading. Okay. We completely stopped looking at the markets. All right. Yesterday, I mean, I didn't know we were going this high, but I feel like I can pat myself on the back because I said I expect us to make a run higher today, and it looks like it worked. I would assume we're in a weird spot. Looks like we came right up to this guy. However, if we're going, it makes sense to just keep going higher. This 1 hour just looks like we are going to keep going higher. All these bullish fair value gaps are being respected. So why would we turn around here? I don't know. Why not just keep going after the highs? Sandy, good morning. That's true, Tyler. I feel like I would be nervous. Like, I don't care about Donkey Puncher roasting me, but like ICT is someone I look up to, obviously. I wouldn't want him to say anything negative, which I don't think he would say something negative if he saw how I'm trading based on his teachings. But I would just rather not know. Yeah, sounds good, student. Maybe Donkey Puncher is ICT. Yeah. Damn, we look at this gap that like if this was on the 1 minute, I'm sure some of you guys would be taking that. And it's on the 5 second and it offered several points. I think we keep going higher on the 1 minute. We didn't. What's it? Why are we turning around right there? That's true, Tyler. I don't know, Jason. I used to say I missed Donkey Puncher, but his roast the other day was a little too close to home. So I would think, Tyler, that you can make I think that's what I was saying. Like, we're in a tough spot. Like, part of me thinks we keep going higher just because of all of these moves. Like this liquidity down here, and then on this is the 1 hour. But at the same time, we absolutely could turn around at this guy. McLovin, he wasn't back in the stream. He just commented on a stream from the day that I hit my daily loss limit on that first trade. If you guys want to read that comment, it was like, I don't, whatever day that, I think it was that Wednesday last week when we took that mistake in the morning. Joseph, I look for, I've seemed to develop this little scalping strategy where I just look for, I'm trying to read the market based on ICT principles, like on the 1 minute and the 5 minute, and then look for entries on the 5 second just for 3 to 5 points and then get out. What storm's ending is I think the stream quality is fine. Yeah, it was that day, McLovin. Of course, it had to be on a day that I was already upset, and then I gotta deal with a freaking comment from him, which it's not that big of a deal, but it did make me think a little extra, maybe a little too much. But he doesn't know what the hell he's talking about. We'll be fine. The bots are coming. We got few in the works, few in the developmental cycle, few in the testing cycle. One in the live testing cycle. Nice, Joseph. So I used to, this past month is when I kind of switched to the scalping, but I was taking like 1 minute. I was trying to really just look for the silver bullet. If it was the silver bullet or not, I don't know, but look for that style of trades. But I got away from that and have landed on this scalping. I just, if you were interested more in it, I do have a video dedicated to it that I just posted the other day. Should be like the main one on if you go to my channel page. No giveaway today, Methodical. I've got my payout in the works, waiting for it to hit the accounts. And then I want to we'll probably do, I need to give everyone a heads up. That way some people don't miss it, since it's not only members this month. All right, YouTube is complaining again. I don't know what to do. Yeah. You'll have to eat rice and beans for a couple more days. Since it didn't go through today, I'm assuming it wouldn't go through till at least tomorrow. Yeah, right. Yeah. I just got away from that, Joseph, because I needed something that allowed me more trades. Not more trades, but more opportunities. Hey, One Stop. Yeah, everything's good so far. You doing all right? if I could just have reliable internet. Yeah, the 5 seconds seems crazy, but I'm kind of used to it now. I feel like it's not moving that quick. Obviously, compared to a 1 minute, it's moving a lot quicker, but I don't know. Unless it's a news event or something, it's not that big of a deal. That's right. That's right. One stop. I mean, I just gave up one of my PAs last week. Oh, yeah, you got plenty of time, Joseph. Jason, I honestly don't know. I think it's just Tyler would be able to probably explain that a little better. I I believe it's just when you're expecting the market to go higher and you see it go the opposite way first to get a liquidity grab, right? Like I don't think there's any other requirements. It's just when there's that liquidity grab like this. The hell, what just happened? I think it's you just want to see. So we had all these equal lows here, right? And then we had this drop, and then it went higher. So you could consider that a Judas swing. I'm pretty sure that's all it is. Will you ever show the bot or make a video about it? Yeah, I think most people here are pretty interested in it. I just didn't want to show anything until it was like good. And some of these bots are only taking like one or two trades a day. I don't think that's really, I don't want to have it on the stream because it's kind of boring. Maybe make a video about it in the process, but I feel like to have it on the stream, I'd want something that was taking multiple trades because that one day when we did run it on the stream, it wasn't profitable, but it seemed like everyone was pretty interested in it because it just kept taking trades like nonstop. Yeah, you have a good one. Thanks for stopping in. Alito, you're a little late. All right, I gotta look for setups. We just came back into this 1 minute fair value gap. We created a gap here, gap here. Both of those offered me my points, and we didn't take it. Oh, got him. Alito, you're gonna have to start setting your alarm a little earlier. All right, this is completely unacceptable. I don't know what the hell you think this is. We did not look at the news. Wednesday, right? Yeah. Wholesale inventories at 10 a.m. Damn it. Those are both perfect little setups. I'm almost wondering if I can use those as entries for the 1 minute, because that means that we're getting a reaction off of a higher time frame fair value gap. I mean, in this instance, yes, but I don't know how often that works. I would have to back test that. But if we got in there and then targeted up here, that would have been like what, 20, almost 20 points, only risking like 5. It's a huge risk to reward. Yeah, I don't trust any bullish ones right here, right now, just because we already, the reaction off of that 1 minute, we didn't get very high.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just looking for a small pullback there. Don't know if we're going to keep going higher, or I think we may go lower now after seeing all this play out, but would rather just take my points and move on to the next one. We're in a 5 minute. We're in a 5 minute bullish right now. This just looks like we may start going lower. Just don't know where. I don't like this on the 5 second. It's getting a little choppy on the 5 second. Have you guys taken anything? I haven't seen anybody. Oh, Tyler Short. Let's see if I can guess from where. Did you take it off of this 1 minute? Yeah, it's after a day like that, it's tough the next day, the next trading day. Even if you take a break, it's tough the next day. Tyler, are you short from VWAP? All right, I'm gonna wait until after 10 to take the next. I'm gonna wait till after 10 to take the next setup, or the next trade. But I'll be right back. I have to use the restroom. This is but this looks good. But I'll be right back. Be right back. All right. Did we miss anything? Damn. Oh, it's like 3 minutes to 10, so we'll just wait now. Wait till after. You still holding that, Tyler? Ooh, we came, it's weird. Right beneath that swing lies a gap, which we hit. Yeah, right here. Like, how is the market going to do? How are people going to say ICT doesn't know what he's talking about when the market does that? But we don't have to get into that right now. Has anyone ever read the comments and posts on different trading subreddits of people talking about ICT? They they hate him on Reddit. All right, it's 10. See if this does anything. Sometimes it's a couple minutes after. Came right up to that 5 minute.
Order filled.
See if we get a few points off of that volume imbalance right there.
Order filled.
There's a few right. Of course, it's going to just probably tank, but it's perfect. Market came up into this little volume imbalance on the 5 second right after the 5 minute hit that gap. Created a fair value gap. I believe we are heading lower. This could probably be treated as a silver bullet right here. That as an entry on the 1 minute.
Order filled.
Oh, damn. Uh-oh.
Order filled.
Okay, it wasn't letting me get out. Started to get a little sweaty there for a second. That was a big that was like a big boy trade on a 5 second. Wasn't letting me exit though. Makes me a little nervous. We just took out lows. I think we go lower though. I don't think this is wanting to go higher. Okay, I almost messed up. I was zooming out there because these candles were getting bigger. We need to stay zoomed in so that way we know if a trade is too large. It's working out so far. If I can just keep my head clear and just try to read the market like this, then I can take these trades all day. Because even when you lose, it's just a small trade and move on to the next one. There's plenty of opportunities on the 5 second. Tyler, if you're talking to me, I mean, the market is definitely now showing setups for lower prices. When we started, I thought we were going to be continuing going higher, which at the same time we could. I mean, we're only 30 minutes into the day. Go up, come down, take out this liquidity now, go higher. Just hit this 1 minute gap, right? I could have taken that, hesitated there, and by the time I hesitated too long, and then also the market was down here. Let's give this a little more time. I can tell I'm trying to rush into the next one, and I can't do that. It's only been 3 minutes. No, it's only been 2 minutes since the last trade. Let's wait for it to get out of this and then get in. That was a pretty big trade compared to what I normally take. So, and the markets seem to be not seem to be. They are moving a little more right now. So, let's be calm, stay patient, wait for the next one. It's only 10:05. Oh, but damn, that's a beautiful. Look at that. So this high right here was this, right? Yeah. So you watch for the reaction off the 1 minute. What did it do? Created a 5 second bearish fair value gap. What did it do? Respected it and kept going. Maybe I need to watch for that. We're evolving. I would be a little skeptical right now because we took out these lows from 9. So we very well could we very well could turn around. We could also continue lower. You just want to wait for whatever your setup is. We've taken 3 trades. 1, 2, 3. Go. If you guys have seen those little shorts I was doing, do we like those? Like for people who don't want to watch a whole stream, they can just see the trades I took. And then if they're interested in watching the stream, then they can go watch it. 5 minutes. Sure. Might create a gap right here. Which, yeah, look at that. So took out lows, low, high, lower low, displacement with a gap. So we'll see how this reacts when it comes back down in between 18 and 13. If I wasn't scalping the 5-second, I would long right here with a stop at the lows, targeting at least like up to this guy. We're not going to take that, but that's what I would take if I was trading that again. Instead, I'm going to watch for a setup on the 5-second with a reaction off of that. And look at that. I can't get in there. It's too big of a stop. But with that reaction, it could just run. This is the 1 minute. I'm not sure what Zendy was talking about. Did anyone take that? I mean, I gave you guys plenty of time heads up. And look, it went from here to that high. Why didn't I take that? I can't take those trades on this account. I just gave somebody easy trade right there, 20 points. So you didn't take that, Alito. Damn, Jeremy. A millionaire, eh? How many contracts would you have needed for that? It's 400 with one mini. You only would have needed 2,500 Nasdaq contracts, and you would have been a millionaire if you took that trade. There absolutely is a chance. Not only is there a chance, it just played out right in front of you. Millionaire, 2,500 contracts. Look, we're going higher than that exit. More than $1 million. Damn it. Why is it the ones we don't take work? When I took this setup last week, it freaking didn't work, of course. And then the week I decide to not take it, it does work. Jesus. I honestly should think about stopping since that happened, because that's gonna frustrate me. I'm not in anything Delta, but the Rat Lord play of the day, freaking work. This is probably going to be a 100 point move right here. Delta, are you talking to me? Oh, okay. I was like, I think you know what I do. Which Zendi, what is your what strategy are you trading? Just interested in what people trade since they if you don't follow ICT stuff and you watch me, what would you be trading? Usually people don't care to watch people who trade ICT setups if they don't. So just curious. I cannot believe that. I don't know about that short Zendy. What's your stop? I'm telling you that this is going to 100 points. And everything is playing out as I this was a little fake run up, grab liquidity, come down, take out this liquidity. 1 minute silver bullet entry. Then we run higher. Do I need to go back to we're creating a 5 minute fair value gap, so I kind of expect it looks like it may close up here. We got and we're only halfway through the candle. if we did, could roll over into that. I don't know. The thing is, I don't know. Sometimes I'm right on those bigger moves. Sometimes you're wrong. And then it sucks when you like get in it and then it's a long trade that you miss a lot of other opportunities. So that's why we went down to this 5-second scalping. Yeah, that's true. I'm more mad that I pointed this trade out and I said if I was taking those, I would buy right here. And then it went right to my target and beyond. And those are the trades I used to take, which of course I can still read them and of course they're still going to work because they were working when I was doing them. I just couldn't handle the days I was wrong and have to wait a whole like 24 hours to trade again. I didn't like that. I was wanting that was that 1 minute fair value gap tap was these two guys right here. I was really wanting this fair value gap or that one for it to come back into. Sure, I could have marketed in up here, but my stop would have been down here. And that's too many points to risk on one trade with this strategy. So, I mean, I could have, this time I could have profited off of it had I not obeyed some of my rules, but it wouldn't. I need to stick to my rules more than anything else. Did just come into this 1 minute fair value gap right here and then created this little displacement. We didn't get in because I was explaining that. What is going on? Oh, frick. I didn't mean to look at that. Yeah, I'm done now. I didn't mean to look at my P&L. I was trying to move these around. But up 347 with 3 trades. Average trade time 14 seconds. That last one, that 165, I mean, we kind of got lucky. That was just the market decided to move that much. Market just decided to move that much and give that much to us. I was planning on exiting probably 3 points because was that one? Yeah, that was the last one. This one I wanted to enter up in that gap. Moved pretty quickly, jumped in 20, or I guess we could have probably still gotten, or no, yeah. Okay, we probably would have taken 5 points out of that had it been a normal trade, but the market moved very quickly and offered us, it graciously gave me more today. We've got a 5-minute gap right here. Could see the market coming back into this guy and then maybe just absolutely ripping off of it. Yeah, I'm thinking too much about the money now. So we got to call it there. I mean, these days, having $200-300 days, I mean, as long as I keep that up, they add up very quickly. And then we just have to make sure we don't have big losses, obviously, because that's been the problem in the past. That one last week, I still firmly believe that that was just a mistake, and I just couldn't handle that mistake happened to me. I didn't want to accept it. Had I just accepted it and carried on with my life and started putting these days behind us, we would have been fine. Because I'm I'm not going to take if I take the trades that I want to take and I exit where I'm supposed to and everything. I should never have a minus $1,000 day because that would be like five, no, less than or more than five red trades. These are like $100. So up to 10 red trades and no green. I'm like, if that happens, I'm not in the right mindset. I should only ever be down -2, -$300, which is that should be the most I should ever be on a day on a red day. And then the whole 1,000 daily loss limit should be for accidents to prevent the account from being blown up. That should be for